dreams. We all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
You can't hold on to me, hold on to me. And we're back on dry land. 2, 1, and scream!
Yourself, but I'm feeling like a holiday. Life is getting older, nothing's ever really going my way. Not a lot of money in my bank, but won't you come along and play pretend? You and I get away from here, Tokyo, Dubai, or the roads be air. Spending all our money like we're billionaires. Holiday lies, holiday lies. Dropping tips like it's our career, making up a life till it disappears. Living like a dead year. Holiday lies, holiday lies. Holiday lies, holiday lies. Holiday lies, holiday. Grab the bull by the horns, I pet it. The rose has a thorn, the flowers make me sneeze. The eye of the storm, but it doesn't really matter if I stay inside. I'm getting good at shutting off my brain. I know if I ignore it, I dramatically improve my day. Like I'm leaving on a holiday. Won't you come along and play pretend? But you and I get away from here, Tokyo, Dubai, or the roads be air. Spending all our money like we're billionaires. Holiday lies, holiday lies. Dropping tips like it's our career, making up a life till it disappears. Living like our daddy had a real good year. Holiday lies, holiday lies. Holiday lies, holiday lies. Holiday lies, holiday. I just need one. It's only one. I just need $1 million to get started. I just need one. It's only one. I just need $1 million. You and I get away from here. Tokyo, Dubai, the roads be air. Spending all our money like we're billionaires. Holiday lies, holiday lies. Dropping tips like it's our career, making up a life till it disappears. Living like our daddy had a real
Good day, I'm working. I'm not working right now, but this is like my workplace, Fusion Expeditions. If somewhere is an event happening near Darwin, you can hire stuff. Like we have thousands of shelves over there, like furnitures, all this stuff. We build like stages, everything for the event, then tear down. So this is my job at the moment. I already do it like 5 weeks now. And today get a bit handy with my bed, because from the previous owner, the bed frame is like lower than my fridge. So every time my mattress was like doing a wave, and I hated this. Then I tried to extend my legs so it's like on the same level than the fridge, but it wasn't like, for sleeping it was comfy, but I had less room to the top, so I changed it back to the original size, because luckily the mattress is thick enough so it's like even flat with the fridge. So I just cut the mattress in half, put it back in, so it's like one level, and then I have like a mattress topper, the black one, to put it on top, so a bit cushion on the fridge. And I got some boxes there, so it's like the same level in the fridge. So everything is one level, and I still have like plenty of space on top. So I keep working for 2 more weeks, maybe 3 weeks, because I need some repair for the car. I got like 2 little issues, the front CV and the driver shaft on the right side. But after this, I will hit the road and go to the west side.